In this video, I'm going to show you whether you can remove multiple Snapchat friends at once. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your Snapchat application, hit there at your profile icon, and now scroll down for a bit until you find the option that says My Friends. You can tap on that and it opens up all your friends list. And now here all you have to do to remove one single person from your friends is hold down on that person's name, there hit at manage friendship, and here hit at remove friend, and then hit on remove to remove one single person. Unfortunately, on Snapchat there are no option to remove multiple Snapchat friends at once, so if you want to remove multiple persons from your friends list, you have to continue doing that steps like holding down, manage friendship, remove friend, and hit on remove. That's how it works on Snapchat. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.